In this video, I'll guide you through how to export Microsoft To Do to Excel. If you like working with your tasks in a spreadsheet or you want to back them up or share them, exporting them as a file you can open in Excel is a simple and reliable way to do that. We're going to use Outlook as the bridge between Microsoft To Do and Excel because your to-do lists are stored in the same place as your Outlook tasks. First, open Outlook on your computer. You'll need the desktop version, not the web version in your browser, because we're going to use a built-in tool that only appears in the full Outlook app. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner and click on the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you see options like Account Settings, Open and Export, and other advanced tools. On the left side, click on Open and Export. This section is where Outlook lets you bring data in or move data out. From here, choose Import, Export. That opens the Import and Export wizard, which is a small window that walks you through the process step by step. In the wizard, you'll see a list of actions. Find and select Export to a file. This tells Outlook you want to take information that already exists in your account and save it out as a separate file. After selecting Export to a file, click Next to continue. Now Outlook asks what kind of file you want to create. Choose comma-separated values, often shown as CSV. A CSV file is basically a plain text table where each piece of information is separated by commas. Excel can open CSV files directly, and they're also easy to use with other apps and tools, which makes this format ideal for exporting tasks. Once you've selected comma-separated values, click Next. The next screen asks you to choose which folder to export from. This is important because your Microsoft To Do items are stored in your Tasks folder in Outlook. In the list of folders, look for Tasks. If you have multiple task lists or folders, expand the main account and make sure you pick the specific Tasks folder that contains the items you want. This is usually just called Tasks, and it's where your to-do lists live when they sync with Outlook. After you've highlighted the correct Tasks folder, click Next. Now, you need to tell Outlook where to save the exported file. Click the Browse button and choose a location on your computer that you can easily find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for exports. You can also give the file a clear name, something like To Do Export or Tasks for Excel, so you'll recognize it instantly. When you've chosen the folder and file name, click OK to confirm, and then click Finish in the wizard. Outlook will now create the CSV file with your task data. Depending on how many tasks you have, this usually only takes a few moments. When it's done, you can open Excel, go to File, then Open, and select the CSV file you just created. Your Microsoft To Do tasks will appear in a spreadsheet format, ready for sorting, filtering, or further analysis. That's all you need to do to export Microsoft To Do to Excel using Outlook.